Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Friday, March 22nd of 2019. It is the last day before we have spring break, so after today, boys and girls, you don't come back to school till April 1st. So you'll be off the whole entire week next week, so make sure you just remind your parents about that. Also, today is our last day for Spirit Day, and today is Perry Pride Day, so hopefully you wore your Perry Spirit wear, or you have blue and red on today. And for March birthdays, we have to announce these students for the remainder part of March. We have Haley Stroll, Christina Valerio, Aaron Schlossnagel, Lisette Ramirez, and Madeline Cochran. Happy birthday to all of you. All of you have birthdays from this point on till the end of the month. So I hope you have a great day. No riddle for today, boys and girls. So I know a lot of teachers are doing things in their classrooms, so I want to make sure that you have that full effect of happening going on today inside the classrooms. And then for our lunch choices for today, we have Colby cheese omelet with biscuit and jelly, Galaxy pizza, and American sub. And today our paws are brought to you by our 4th grade students.
All right, it's time for our pause. So we have some 4th graders here to go through those with us about things that you should not be doing to earn your pause.
Don't hit people. Don't be fighting at basketball. Don't push people.
Thank you very much, guys.
And also a note about our pause. You might have noticed around the building now, there is golden paws around different places in the building. So if you see a class or a student doing things in particular very well, feel free to do a golden paw for them. So those are throughout the building, usually by the entrance and exit areas. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys. Much appreciation on that. So boys and girls, last day before break. Let's make it a great day today. Let's have no one have lunch detentions today. Let's have everyone following our pause. And remember, the choices are yours. So let's make sure we make some great choices today. Have a wonderful day.